Vendors in Montego Bay, St. James are appealing to the government to relax the curfew measure on Saturdays for small businesses in the service industry. The vendors claim they have come under increased pressure from the police since the COVID-19 restrictions were tightened. Kelisha Williams has that story.
When the curfew was at 8 p.m. on Saturdays, vendors in Montego Bay, St. James say they were targeted by the municipal police. The curfew now begins at 6 p.m. on Saturdays and ends at 5 Sunday morning. And with the tighter curfew measures, the vendors say they are being told to pack up as early as 5 p.m.
You have to come out early. When you come out early, parish council and the king same way. Why different? Why sense? Or you make $1 before curfew hours.
When our news team visited Sam Sharp Square, we did not see any police officers on location. For the most part, it looked like a regular shopping day. But for the vendors,
I just want my business as a small vendor. I try to come off my street, and it's like, now work. Now I have like 6 staff on my list right now. I have to lay off people. Kind of work out. So it don't make sense at the end of the day.
We don't get to sell the amount we want to sell because sometimes we end up jerk them up and by if you sell them you have to leave, you understand? Because we don't really want to figure a quote because it's going to cost more money and that will be a big effect because if you come to make $1 you have to end up pay more than $1, it don't really make no sense.
some of the jerk vendors have been using the e-commerce national delivery system ENDS, which allows businesses to operate after the curfew. But they decided to leave the system following a stabbing incident with one of their colleagues. So what do the vendors want now?
I would rather see a longer working hours for us vendors and a closure for parties because they are the ones that are spreading the virus, and when you look on, a party enclosed environment where you have, hundreds of people, no mask wearing, it's worse. It's worse than out in the streets, because everybody keep moving and everybody is stationary in the parties.
Prime Minister Andrew Holness had relaxed the COVID-19 restrictions in June when the COVID cases were on the decline. But during the 2-week relaxation, cases skyrocketed, which led to the tightening of the measures. Kelisha Williams, TVJ News.